Hello everyone, welcome to another Canva video in this channel. So if you don't know, Canva just dropped a new feature in their website which is called Dream Lab. So if you go to the home option in your Canva, you will find a option called Dream Lab. Also you can find an option called Make Me an Image. So I am using a free account to show you that is available also in the free account. So if you don't have that option, just wait for some days. It will be available on your website. So just click on this Make Me an Image option. And here you will find the Dreamlab Canva AI image generator. And if you scroll down, you'll find all the images that are created by this Dreamlab here. So this Dreamlab Canva AI is powered by Leonardo AI. And here you have to describe all your image of the prompt that you want to create. So here you have the size for your image or the ratio. So you can choose, there is 6 ratio here. So I'm going to choose the 16:9 so I can use that in a video. And also you can see the uh, prompt of the image that you can see here. So you can just click on use, and this will automatically copy the prompt of that image here. Also we have a smart button here, and you can see what kind of picture that you want to create. These are the theme here: cinematic concept, creative, smart, bokeh, macro, illustration. So these are the model or the theme of the picture that you want, pop art, vector style. So if I want this prompt to create an image as an vector style or a pop art or a sketch color option, I can choose that. So let's just choose this as a sketch color option and just click create here, and it will start to create my image as you can see. So you just have to wait for a few seconds, and the image has been created as you can see. I have chosen the sketch color option, and also this is the prompt here, and these are the image. You can also use this image and a design, or you can click on this and download it if you like this image. So this is a very pretty and easy way to create any image that you want. So I'm going to show you one thing here. If you are using a free account here, you will get 20 credit here. So after that, you will lose all the credits. So play with it and create what you want. And if you want to get more credit, just buy an account of the premium account and you will get 500 more credit monthly. So that's it guys. This is the update that I want to give you, that Canva has now a AI image generator which is powered by Leonardo AI, and you can use it for free right now with 20 credit here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.